Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to show you how you can use the new Chrome for testing browser with Selenium and Python to write more reliable test cases. So the Google team just introduced the Chrome for testing to address two flaws that we may encounter with the regular Chrome version. The first one will be the auto update, which might be good for user but very bad for automation testing. And on top of that, at Google they made it very hard to find a previous Chrome version. The other flaw we have with the official Chrome release was the Chrome driver. With certain software, we need to have a specific Chrome driver to run our Chrome executable to launch the Chrome browser. So we constantly need to make sure that the Chrome driver we have is updated to match the more recent Chrome version. So it's important to note that this issue have already been addressed in the development community. So we didn't wait for Google to release Chrome for testing, but still, it's a good idea that now we have this Chrome for testing, where the major change is that now the Chrome driver and the Chrome and bundle together. So we don't need to search for the Chrome driver, we find it at the same place. And also the previous version are available, so we can write tests that will target a previous Chrome version. So let's say, for example, we have a bug we need to find, and that bug happened on a specific Chrome version. So let's just jump in an example and see how it works. So to actually get a specific binary version, so we just click on this JSON API endpoint, and we have all the different endpoints we can use. And the one that might be interesting is the latest patch version per build we download. And for this example, let's say we want to test the 1.15 Chrome version. So for example, this one we already select in there. So just click enter. So you have it. So in our case, we will click on the link and we automatically start the download. And we'll also click of this link for the Chrome driver. So when the download is complete, we actually unzip it where we want to use it. So I've already done this exercise and I have put it in there. So this is the version we will actually use. We have the Chrome driver with the executable, and we also have the Chrome executable in there. So let's go to Visual Studio. So the only thing now is to make sure we have a Selenium version bigger than 4.11. So from Selenium, we will import the WebDriver. And we can actually start to build our test. So we will create a string version, and we actually pass that version we want to use. I think it was 5768.0. To use a specific Chrome version with Selenium, we actually need to specify two paths. The first one will be the path to the Chrome executable, and we will specify it in a Chrome option object. So it's actually prepared there. So let me bring it. So we create a Chrome option, and then we'll specify the Chrome executable in the binary location. And for the Chrome driver path, we will use a Chrome service object. So we have the Chrome driver path. It's in the folder where we unzip the Chrome driver, and also so we create the service option with the variable called executable path. So now we can actually launch the web driver like we always do, and we need to specify these two parameters. So option will be equal to Chrome option, and then service will be equal to service option. And from now, all we will do the test like we did before. So a little product placement. I have prepared some steps to actually test my proper website. So I will just add it in there. So, but for this part, it's not really related. It's just to show you that we use it like how we use Selenium with Chrome before. So actually, I need to put some other imports. So I need to put the corresponding import in there, and now everything should be fine. So what we are doing in the test, we just wait for the search icon, we click on it, we send some key Python, and then we want to do a search. That's what's happening in the test. So actually I can put a breakpoint in there to make sure we wait long enough to have the search input bar happening. So if I start the executable, if I start my file, so I can see that there is a different Chrome that is starting, and the version is specifying there. So you see Chrome for testing 1.15.0.5768 for automation. And then, okay, so we actually see it go through the breakpoint in there. And we can continue the execution of the test. So we click, and we actually see the result happening in there. And you can have the URL printed there. So actually everything is working fine, and the test just exit. So that's it. So that's how you can use this new Chrome for testing. So for recap, when we want to use it, we just need to specify the binary location for the Chrome executable, and also the executable path for the Chrome driver. So we need to specify a Chrome option and the service option, and you will be good to go. That's it for our little demo. I hope you found it useful. Don't hesitate to like it, share it, and subscribe for more content like this. And tell me in the comment, did you start to use this new Chrome for testing browser? How do you find it? Is it useful? Is it more convenient for your test framework? I want to hear from you. And see you in the next video. Bye.